Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to use Figma AI. I just typed one sentence and Figma AI built this entire app screen for me that you can see now on the screen. Spacing, buttons, layout, all of it just by a single prompt. This is Figma AI and every designer needs to know this. Figma is the world's leading design and prototyping tool and it now has AI built features directly in Canvas. With features like First Draft, Make, and AI-powered editing tools, you can go from blank page to a working wireframe or prototype in minutes. No need to place every box and button by hand. UI UX designers, startup founders, sketching an app AI, app idea, marketers mocking up a landing page, and students learning design who want to skip the blank canvas fear. All you need to do is first you need to sign up for free on figma.com, and after signing up you can see such type of a dashboard. Here you have something like a chat box where you need to type the prompt of whatever you want to build. I would prefer to generate the prompt using any AI tool like ChatGPT or Claude for better results. I can also help you use that. Um, just type any idea that you want to build on ChatGPT and tell the ChatGPT to generate prompt. For example, I want to build an authentication dashboard for my e-commerce website using Figma AI, having glass morphism and dynamic UI. Generate a prompt for this. As you can see, the whole prompt has been generated by the chat GPT. You just need to copy the whole thing and paste it here. Now you just need to wait for some time and the entire dashboard will appear in the same way that you have prompted it. As you can see, ChatGPT has specified the colors, whatever you have to use. Later, if you want to change those, you also change them using the follow-up commands. Every feature, the name also has been decided by the ChatGPT, the subtitle and everything, the spacing, everything has been decided by him. As you can see, everything is now working right now on Figma. Planning, reasoning will take few minutes. You just need to wait for the results. Now you can see also that it has gathered everything required to build that design and also build a to-do list to complete a premium authentication dashboard. One by one, it is checking all of the things mentioned in the list and working on it. Okay, so the dashboard is ready. Premium AI Authentication Dashboard version 1. As you can see, the whole dashboard is ready. Yes, I would say that this is not properly integrated with the Google, Apple, or GitHub ID and everything, that you have to do it on your phone, but it is something like a wireframe or a prototype that how will your authentication dashboard look like. So, in case if you want to replace that logo with the logo that you have designed or your company's logo or whatever, if you want to change, you can just simply add the drive link of that logo or that image and add a prompt there to replace the existing one with this, and it will do everything whatever you just said in a prompt, just a minute. um yes, also one thing, if you want to directly, as you can see here, first of all, as you can see here, these are the codes, all the technical code that was required to build this dashboard. You can simply download the whole code's zip file directly using this download button. Also, you can connect your GitHub here and directly push the whole code there in that repository, whatever in like which GitHub repository that you have connected here, it will directly push the whole code there. And in future also, if you have to do any kind of changes and minor changes or whatever changes or whatever, you have to add something new to the dashboard or more pages you have to add here, you can simply add prompts, write the prompts, send them, and yeah, the Figma will gonna make it whole whatever you want. And from here, you can directly push that code in the data. No need to download the code, no need to do anything. Also, manually, also, if you want to change anything here, you can simply add something, remove something, debug something, whatever you want, you can do manually as well here. So this is how Figma AI works. Some pro tips that I would wanna give you: treat first draft like a junior designer's rough layout. It's a great starting point, but always refine spacing, hierarchy, and brand details by hand afterward. Be specific in your prompts. Mention the industry, tone, and number of the sections for far more usable results and better results. Use the free AI credits, which is 150 per day, for auto renaming layers and quick edits. Save the heavier credit cost features like first draft for when you really need a full layout. Figma's starter plan is completely free and it already includes daily AI credits to try these features. No credit card required. If you design anything digital, this is genuinely one of the biggest time savers you add to your workflow this year. Try turning one idea into a wireframe today and show me what you built in the comments. Subscribe to FaxLab AI for more tutorials like this. Thank you.